Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Vian. Today we were doing a pancake. We were doing mini pancakes. I will show you how to do it, and Mommy and me will do it. I want to crack the egg because it's my favorite. We're going to mix all the dry ingredients, guys. We need some flour and the sugar, baking soda, baking powder. First, we gotta put the sugar on it. Sugar into the flour. So cool. Now for the baking soda. Now time for baking powder. Time for the mixing, guys. You can also make it this pancake. Click the bell and do all of the videos of this pancake. You can make this pancake, but hope you enjoy it and do everything. Click the subscribe in the button below so you can do whatever you want of the video. Now, second is we need a buttermilk, and an egg. We gotta want an egg here. We gotta put the egg in here. Now we need a buttermilk. We gotta whisk everything of the ingredients. I'm gonna get to break the egg. Whoa! It's so cool. Mommy, it's so cool. It's being yellow and orange, guys. Gotta put the dry ingredients, guys. Whisk. If it's more liquidy, you can add a little bit of water if you want. Put it over here. Swirl it in. Whoa, we can also draw something, okay? I'm gonna draw. Where is the yummy pancake? It's so super yummy, guys. Why you try to look at it and do it by yourself? We gotta take the small scoop and put it in the pan, and Mommy will do a fry with it. We were doing a little bit of tiny ones. So up in here. Ready, set, go. Whoa. Pancake is ready. Some syrup and butter. Now, let me taste it. Thanks for joining me. For me and my little sister baby. And you can don't forget to subscribe my channel videos and make these all of the pancakes, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.